This is the target building right here.
Got it. Southeast. Approaching from the southeast.
Checklist complete. Comps check. How copy?
Solid copy. Drone systems initializing. Stand by for launch.
We are airborne.
Acknowledged. We have movement on the ground. Grid coordinates 2559er.
Hold position here. Are those turbine blades?
Confirmed. The rust is extensive.
Recording coordinates and visual confirmation.
Are you seeing this?
Unbelievable. That's the wreckage from the missing chopper.
The data confirms critical structural failure at the main joint. We need to prioritize the cockpit stabilization immediately.
Watch the left flank! Muddy LZ. All clear, moving up.
Look at the stress fracture here near the rotor mount. We need detailed shots of this corrosion.
Got it. I'll make a note of the depth. We're looking at extensive structural failure across the rear fuselage.
It's worse than the initial report suggested.
Roger that. Control. Rigging is secure. We are clear for the tension test.
Look at the stress fracture right here.
Yes, and the corrosion extends deep into the spar.
Rigger, status check. Thumbs up, boss. Steady strain. Copy that. Keep monitoring the balance. It's coming up. Keep it steady on the left. Pull tighter on your side. Watch the tail. Watch the tail.
Look at the glass fracture, it's spreading, and the panel below.
Confirmed. Logging the structural fatigue now.
Ground team to extraction 1. Payload secured. Ready for vertical lift. Tension holding steady at 4,000.
Copy that. Lift synchronization engaged.
Clear on the aft starboard side.
All right, hold it steady. Bring it back 5 feet. You're clear on the left side. Keep coming slow.
Lowering now. Confirm clearance.
Clear on the left, keep coming back.
She's down safe.
All right, team, let's secure her and start the assessment.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it.
Watch the clearance on the door.
All right, team, per the manual, we start with the tail boom disconnect sequence.
Systems are depowered and secured. Lead.
Wrench sizes confirmed for the stabilizers. You need to file this edge down just a bit more before we torque it.
Check this edge again.
Okay, let me get that. Better now?
Much better.
Looks factory new.
Okay, easy now. Lift it straight up.
Wow, look at that corrosion underneath.
Yeah, we'll need the rotary tool for this section.
Did you scan the turbine housing?
Yes, showing green on the manifest.
Checklist item 42, hydraulics are flushed and capped.
Confirmed. The tail rotor measurements are within tolerance.
Documentation is finalized for this section.
Torque is set on the mains.
Specs confirmed. Ready for the next stage.
All right, let's move forward.
Engine assembly secure, all harnesses clipped.
Noted.
Charles, move to the landing gear next.
Data stream is stable. Vibration metrics are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Integrity check complete.
Manual rotation is smooth, ready for engine test.
Copy that. Spooling up, all parameters green.
Everything is perfectly aligned and polished as requested.
Confirmed. The mechanical function is flawless.
Go ahead and log the cyclic test. Readout is solid.
Confirmed. Moving on to the connector check now.
Smooth rotation confirmed. Engine test was a success.
Data logs are perfect. Ready for flight integration.
Hardware secure.
Seatbelts checked, ready for flight.
Engine parameters stable. Run test successful.
Roger that. Operational readiness confirmed.
Scene 98.
Fuel tank or filters dobara check.
We finally did it. Look how perfectly these mesh.
Yeah, they look incredible. All the hard work paid off.
Reassembly complete. The AH-1 Cobra is complete and ready.
All systems nominal. Final checks complete.
She's ready for rollout.